In this video, we'll explore the report editing features. The report editing interface includes the following functions: add, save, save as, print, page zoom, page orientation, insert image, insert table, insert shape, insert text box, insert thermal values, import file, page management, and page settings. Next, we will introduce the above functions. The add function offers two modes. The one is to generate an empty report template. The other is to select a pre-designed template from the gallery. Click Create a new page. To generate an empty report template, click Generate Report using Template. To enter the template selection interface, select a pre-designed template from the gallery. Click Confirm to generate the report. Save. Two save formats are available: Word and PDF. Word is selected as the default save format. Choose a directory. Enter a file name. And click Save. And you will find the newly generated Word in your specified directory. Open the file to view its contents. Exported files will match the in-software report content. Try to save as PDF. Repeat the same steps to save the file, and you will find the newly generated PDF in your specified directory. Save as. Save as PDF. Save as Word. Save as template. Save as a cover. Save to cloud drive. Print. If a printer is connected, click Print to output the physical report. The page zoom feature allows you to adjust the zoom percentage. Adjust zoom percentage for preview. Page orientation can be toggled between landscape and portrait layouts.